Shaniece. Hi, this is Tony Finley here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Hey, 1 mile north of the gallery on Highway 31. Hey, Shaniece, you inquired about a 2019 Sonata. Hey, I have one here on the showroom floor I would like to tell you all about. We do have quite a few of them in stock with different colors and options and equipment on it. This particular here is a sport model. As you can see, the Sonata has an outstanding appearance, great looking car. You do have here your headlights here and daytime running lights are here. On this particular vehicle here, you do have sport rims here, the aluminum rims flashing on the outside, and it comes with the push button start with the smart cruise on it. Now the vehicle also comes here, this is a mixture of leather and cloth. It does have the sunroof on it, standard power ones and power door locks, cruise control, stereo control, Bluetooth capability, AM, FM with XM radio. This one is also have the heated seats on it. It is an automatic with a Shiftronic transmission. Tell you all about that when you come in the power seat. Now the Sonata get outstanding gas mileage. You're looking at 34, 35 on the highway, 28, 26 on the city, combined city and highway around 28. 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. We double that to another 10 years, 100,000 miles, no cost and no strings attached. We also got a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty. Now I have quite a few of them in stock. We headed up to Memorial Day, so we have a great sale going on. There are some great incentives on it. Give me a call, set up an appointment for one of these new 2019 Sonatas at 205-380-6250. Once again, this is Tony Finley, Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile north of the gallery on Highway 31.